Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I did this look, it was inspired by fall and the Morphe 35002 palette. It's what I used to create this entire look. If you want to see how I did this look from start to finish, please continue watching. And if you really enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Okay, so for the eyes, I start off with my Too Faced multi-sculpt concealer and blend that out with a flat foundation brush or concealer brush, whichever you choose. This is going to be my primer for my eyeshadow. And then I go in with the transition color, which is a nice warm brown, nice and soft. And I created the shape with a smaller eyeshadow brush, and now I'm blending it out with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I like to start from the outside in because I think it just gives me a little bit more control for the shadow, if you know what I mean. Great, and now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a deeper color and then just blend that out into the transition shade. This one's a little bit redder. This one's a little bit redder because we're going for a pumpkin spice, October theme. And now I'm going to go in with my red glitter color that I'm going to place all over the lid. And I'm just using a flat brush to apply this because I want the pigment to really be packed on so it can really pop. Okay, pop. Okay, so now I'm going over with a more orange color because I think it was just a little bit too brown for the pumpkin spice look that I'm going for. So yeah, so I just blend that out. And now I'm going in with this beautiful, gorgeous orange gold glitter color that's in this palette, just so I can have more depth. So we're going to pack that on and then blend out the more warm tones. And then I just used a nice gold color to highlight the upper brow bone and the shadow as well. It's not really in my brow bone, but it just started to look a little bit too dark, so I was trying to lighten it up, winging it. Yep, and now I'm just blending out the red and the orange again. Going low key for like a halo effect with a smoky eye. Perfect. So now I'm going to go in with my liquid eyeliner. It's my favorite. It's the NYX Liquid Eyeliner, which I'll leave in the description box. And I always do a cat eye. I try to do different shapes, but this one just seems to work for me. So this is what I do. And now I am gonna do the rest off camera. And now I'm back with the foundation part. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty I'll leave the shade I use below in a mix of the It Cosmetics CC Cream Foundation. I love blending these two together. Just gives me more of that full coverage. And now I'm going to clean up under my eye and also highlight again with the Too Faced Sculpting Concealer. And I couldn't find my beauty blender, so I just used my finger. I learned this trick working at this makeup stand. So I use my ring finger to pat into the skin, and it's kind of like using a beauty blender without poking your eye with your middle finger or your pointer finger. And then I'm just gonna blend that in, pack it down with my flat concealer brush or flat foundation brush that I used in the beginning to do my eyeshadow primer. And then just clean up around the eyeliner and underneath the eye as well. And now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Honey, just to set those under eyes, baby. And then I'm using my favorite contour palette, the Urban Decay Shapeshifter palette. And I'm using the powder side to contour my face. Get those cheeks nice and chiseled, forehead warmed and bronzed, you know. Please excuse that line on my forehead. It's literally from my doobie, you know, because we got to stay late. Even though my sideburns are not late, but we're gonna get there. Perfect. So now I'm gonna go back over with the concealer to highlight the nose, the forehead, and I like to have like a nice precise line, and then just blend that out again with a flat foundation brush and my fingers. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the powder contour to do the nose and just apply some blush as well. I use the NYX Fire palette to create this blush color. I usually mix and match, like I do have a blush, but I don't always use it. I just create my own with eyeshadows and stuff. Yeah. So now I'm just going to blend out the setting powder that I placed underneath my contour just to make my cheeks pop out a little bit more. And now it's time for the lips. So since we're on a budget, I am using the same exact pencil I used to create my brows, just sharpened it, and I'm using it for my lip liner today. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte Lipstick in the color Clay Crush and blending that out with a little bit of a concealer brush. And then I'm going to go in with a more nude colors, Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color Milkshake. I love this color with any brown liner. It's absolutely perfect. So I'm just going to blend that out again with a concealer brush and top it all off with my holy grail, the MAC Lip Glass Clear Lip Gloss. And finally, I'm going to just add a little bit of highlighter, which I will leave in the description box, don't worry. And that's pretty much it. Here is the final look. She is giving you October, fall, pumpkin spice realness, honey. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. I really love this look. Yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and share. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.